the table array. The table array is the area that's going to be searched by the program to return the value based off of the lookup value that has been provided. To select the table array, we're going to go to where the information that we're searching is. For this exercise, you're going to click on the LMS Report tab at the bottom left-hand corner, and then you're going to highlight, click, drag, and hold from the top left to the top right. And then you're going to click on the call index number and move on to the next step.